Nadine. Let me introduce you to Nadine, a humanoid robot whose lifelike features and human-like shape will amaze you. In addition, this humanoid robot knows who you are based on past interactions, and it can even shake hands, look you in the eye, and strike up a discussion. Nadine is the outcome of Kokoro Japan's development. Time, a humanoid robot bartender by Mako Robotics based in Seville, California, strives to serve meals and beverages. The robot, which is around 2 square meters, can serve a drink in 23 seconds. Kime is designed to serve beer at the ideal angle and can serve up to 300 glasses of beer in an hour. Robotic avatar. The THR-3, a humanoid robot that Toyota revealed in 2017, walks like a real avatar, matching the gait of its human operator. Better controls and a more organic gait are now features of the THR-3. Eventually, these humanoids should be able to perform medical procedures on patients while being supervised by human operators who are located somewhere else. These humanoids will also afford caretakers the ability to work from a distance and grant those who need help more independence. Han is a humanoid robot with emotion that debuted at the Global Sources Electronics Fair. The happiness of humans is the main goal of the robot. Han uses a variety of cameras and speech recognition software to see and interact with his surroundings. The robot's face is wrapped with rubber, a resilient rubber that resembles flesh, which allows it to make emotions. Erica. What if a robot read the news to you through speech, just like a real Incorman? Meet Erica, a Japanese humanoid robot that is capable of performing all the tasks of a news anchor. It makes sense that Erica was regarded as one of the most intelligent humanoids ever created in Japan, with a focus on her language abilities. Hiroshi Ishiguro, the head of the Intelligent Robotics Laboratory at Osaka University, designed Erica. Little Sophia. Little Sophia, the younger sister of Sophia, the robot most known for Hanson Robotics, is another representation of a humanoid robot. The same team that created Sophia also created Little Sophia, a 14-inch educational toy. Coding and artificial intelligence are simple to learn with Little Sophia. She's a great friend for kids older than 8 years old. Delivery robot. It was revealed in January 2020 that Ford was the first client of Agility Robotics to use the humanoid robot Digit in a manufacturing environment. With its flexible hands capable of lifting and stacking 40-pound boxes, this headless humanoid can maneuver over a variety of obstacles, including stairs and uneven flooring, because to its sensors. It can fold up for little storage space and balance on one foot, although it often walks erect. According to Ford, Digit will be able to operate an autonomous vehicle while delivering items to clients, automating the whole delivery procedure. Atlas, considered the world's most dynamic humanoid by some, was designed to help people do dangerous jobs like search and rescue operations. Boston Dynamics built the robot with funding from the U.S. Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency. Standing 6 feet tall, the robot is capable of amazing backflips and leaps. Jia. It was made by a team from the Chinese University of Science and Technology. It appears too good to be true that Jia is considered the most attractive lady in China. She has the ability to reply and speak with people. Her very human-like lip synchronization and eye movements have added to her attractiveness. Research humanoid. Since 2010, mechanical engineers from the Iranian University of Tehran have been developing Serena robots. Their newest model, the Serena 4, was revealed in December 2019. It is an adult-sized humanoid that is said to be able to grasp a variety of forms and items, walk at a pace of 0.7 kilometers per hour, recognize faces and things, and create speech. There are 43 different movements in it. Serena is used by engineers for AI and bipedal movement research, as well as to encourage students to pursue careers in technology. Guided bot. I think none of us likes to be carrying about our shopping bags all the time. That is, for the time being. Bot steps in to save the day. This robot is designed to follow you about, taking care of your baggage and shopping needs. It makes sense that for those quick trips to the grocery store, this is such an assistance and a great travel buddy. Junko Chihira. Junko Chihira, an android who worked as a receptionist at a department store in Japan, was replaced by Toshiba's Junko Chihira, who works full-time at a tourist information center in Tokyo. The robot was able to recognize sounds and reply to visitors' inquiries in 2017. Junko will also assist with senior care by working in the medical field. Junko seems to be a 26-year-old Japanese lady at 5 feet and 5 inches tall. Robots. Humanoids have been created by several nations for use in space exploration. As an instance, in December 2020, the Indian female humanoid robot Vaumitra was scheduled to go on an autonomous space mission. The robot's purpose is to carry out microgravity experiments to aid in the crew trip planning for the upcoming missions. In 2019, Russia launched FEDOR, or Final Experimental Demonstration Object Research, a remote-controlled humanoid, to the International Space Station. FEDOR simulated a spacewalk and then came back to Earth. Humanoid DK. From the Humanoid series, the remarkably realistic Humanoid DK android is made to look like University of Aalborg Professor Henry Scharf. Under the direction of Hiroshi Ishiguro, the head of Osaka University's Intelligent Robotics Laboratory, the robot was created by a private Japanese company and the university. The major goal in developing this robot was to make the humanoid seem amazingly human. In fact, the wig was made from Scharf's own hair. Osina 1. Much interest has been shown in Osina 1, a bimanual underwater humanoid robot designed for coral reef research. Ocean 1 from the Stanford Robotics Lab is capable of diving to depths that are impossible to most people. It is the ideal fusion of artificial intelligence, haptic feedback technology, and robotics. UpTech Robotics. One of the top robotics companies in the world, UpTech, intends to expand even more quickly. The Shenzhen Robotics Company has announced $820 million in Series C fundraising, with a current value of over $5 billion. Humanoid robots are produced by UpTech and sold to businesses and individuals. According to the most recent investment oval, UpTech will continue to use AI technology to construct its next generation of robots and integrate them with both local and international robots. Ameca. The company Engineered Arts produced Ameca in 2021, the most sophisticated and lifelike humanoid robot ever made. Ameca debuted in public with a video on December 1, 2021. It quickly gained popularity on TikTok and Twitter. Its main objective is to provide a platform for the development of robotics technology for communication between humans and robots. To interact with the public, Ameca uses face recognition software, stereoscopic eye-mounted cameras, inbuilt microphones, and a chest camera. Human Virtual Presence, or GPT-3, may also regulate interactions. Its tendons, sensor arrays, and artificial extremities are all constructed using state-of-the-art technology. Asimo. Asimo is a humanoid robot that is intended for use in search and rescue operations. It is also known as Advanced Step in Innovative Mobility. It can interact with people since it can identify faces, noises, moving objects, postures, gestures, and the environment. The two inbuilt camera eyes of Asimo gather visual data to identify motion in objects and calculate their separation and direction from one another. Because Asimo can distinguish between speech and other noises, it can identify its friends. It can identify almost 10 distinct faces and address them by name. It nods in response to inquiries and speaks several languages. Sophia. The most sophisticated and well-known humanoid robot, Sophia, debuted in 2016 and is the first robot to serve as an innovation ambassador for the UNDP. The company Hanson Robotics produced her. Sophia's appearances on daytime TV programs throughout the globe and at international conferences are the main causes of her popularity. Sophia's architecture as of 2024 includes OpenCog, an AI system intended for general reasoning, scripting tools, and chat software. Sophia was given functioning legs and the capacity to walk in the same year.